How to send gifts on Coinbase.com. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to send a gift on Coinbase, easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Coinbase and log into your account, and after you go to this page, now you need to go here to more, click on this more option and click send a gift. Now right here, choose how you want to pay. For example, I'm gonna choose any of these. Okay, let's choose this one. Now write the gift to email address and the personalize add note and a card. You can choose a card from here. As you can see, there is many cards. Let's choose this one, for example. Click select and your optional note. For example, thank you for everything, and click continue, as you can see, and after you finish just click again continue. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful.